Hello and welcome to a short walkthrough to the into the folders of the Urban Garden collection. This is very short because there is an extended version of this video also available. So let's jump direct into the folders. We have here the artsy bits and pieces. You get here those kind of artsy bits. There's an A and B folder. When you get your downloads, a lot of artsy bits, and you get I think 30 different files. Then we have the artsy bits and pieces number 2, which contains the more realistic elements here. Lot of greenery, a lot of leaves and feathers, twigs. And this is the artsy bits and pieces number 2 folder. Then we have the art strokes, realistic art strokes. I've painted them, extracted them, and you can place them on top of your papers or whatever. And they have some glitter on top, and also here you have some embossed elements. These are the art strokes of the urban garden. Then we have the botanical blender masks, watercolor with a little bit of shadows of leaves, twigs, with a little bit of grass, and you get 12 different masks here. Also an ABR file is included in this package. Then we have the magic lights. You get 23 different magic lights in this pack here. Bouquets, fractal overlays, and great to combine with your images. The next folders are the sprinkles. We have here different created glittery sprinkles here, flowers you can see, and of course here realistic flowers combined with gems, and yes, 13 different elements you get with that pack. Next folder are the word arts. These are the word arts. Typo style. The typo ones are come in 2 different versions. Like you can see here, the beautiful is with a greeny ornament, and then the second version is only the black word itself. And the same here, you get with the petal flowers and the poison ivy and and sunlight comes also in 2 different versions, and the time to sprout is also in 2 different versions. And you get the typo styled, and of course the Dymo styled word arts. Also included an ABR file here with the word arts. Then we jump into the papers. These are the mixed media papers. That one is a paper, and here you get an overlay which is transparent, so you can overlay that on every paper you like to. You can recolor it with styles, for example, so you can also use it in other collections if you like. These are the mixed media papers. And then we have the solid papers here. Neutral paper, white a lot, a little bit of gesso, cardboard, and here's one with a little bit of a tulle detail. Then we jump into the Painter's Toolbox. The first pack are the alpha stamps. You get for each letter 4 different versions, plus a brush file, ABR file. So you can stamp a lot of different names and combine them if you have a double letter. So you always be sure that you have not the exact same letter stamped, because you have 4 different versions. These are the alpha stamps. And then we jump into the brush tools. Brush tools. This is something I really explain very detailed in the extended version. The TPL file is only for Photoshop 5.5 and higher. The ABR file will work in Photoshop 5 and lower, also in PSE, but it doesn't contain every info that is stored in a TPL file. This is what you can do, what you can paint. It's created for painting. You get a lot of leaves here, paint strokes, and yes, these are also to see in the extended version how they work. Then we have the doily brushes. A huge pack of 26 different PNG files in black. Also included an ABR file with all the black brushes, so you can use them in Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. Next folders are the markers and pens. Also here, please, if you unsure with the files, watch the extended version of this video. I explain there a lot more in detail how to use them and how the brush tools markers work. Also here, TPL is for Photoshop 5.5 and higher, and you can use the ABR file for Photoshop and Photoshop Elements. Photoshop 5.5 and lower. So okay, then we have the colors. The colors always come in for free. You can download them for free. They coordinate or include the colors as styles. When you open them, you get a style, so you can recolor something. Also, you get the coordinating color swatch for Photoshop and Photoshop Elements, so you can use the same colors as I used for the whole collection. They are free. Then we have the style mix. You get here 16 different realistic styles. They are seamless. They work in Photoshop and Photoshop Elements as well. And also watch here the extended version to have a closer look. Storybook templates. These are the in letter size. Pre-designed. You only need to add a background paper, for example, and add your photos, and you are done. Text, of course. And then you have a 12-page memory book for March or whatever month you like to use it. Very pretty, easy to use, and looks really cool. Then we have the weekly templates. They come in 12 by 12 size, fully layered. Also here, week 11, you can change, of course, the year, the month, the week. You can change everything. You can kick that out. You can replace everything. Everything is layered, that you mix and match everything or whatever you like to do with that. So these are the weekly templates. And then we have the extra templates. White templates. If you open them and they are white, open it in your Photoshop or Photoshop Elements, and click on the first layer, click, hold, slide down with the mouse, and everything will show up for you. And you can see then the images. It's this is the Urban Garden collection, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And it was a fast one. I'm really proud of myself. But if it's not enough for you to watch check out the extended version of this video. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good time, and we're gonna see us in the next video. Bye!